This is update number 6 for Partners in Crime Project Pan, and just this once we have empties. The first product is this gloss from e.l.f. I've used it 17 times since the last update and it's finished, kind of. I still have to remove the stopper, but I struggle to scrape the tube because of the broken wand. Earlier in the project I had already fixed it, but it's wonky again, so I'll have to repair it again. And what's funny is that I used this much in 7 days, and I used this much in 17 days. I only tally 1 day, no matter if I apply the product once or 5 times in a day. It shouldn't have been that long to use it up. Either my marking was wrong, but I don't think so, because the settling line was very clearly visible. Another possibility is that I reapplied the product more often the previous month, but mostly I think it's because the wand doesn't reach the bottom of the tube, so I had to put it on the side, and it was difficult to get the product, so I applied a very tiny amount of product each time I was using it, whereas the previous month the wand was fully coated with product. So it's not yet an empty as I was anticipating, but it will be for sure next month. Then there is my gold cream eyeshadow, and as you can see it's fully empty. I used it only 3 times since the last update. I used it 2 times as a liner and 1 time mixed with body lotion. So of course I used a lot more on my legs than on my eyes, so that's how I was able to finish it. When I applied it, at first it was a bit patchy, but it ended cute. I'm not sure about the picture, it was difficult to capture the shimmer, but I think you can see the beam. So I'm thrilled to have an empty in this project, and I'm replacing it with this eyeliner pencil in the shade Peacock Blue. This is what it looks like. To me it's a very summery shade, and I'm really happy to use it, even though we have a gloomy weather every day. And I will only have a goal of 10 uses on this product, because I'm sick and tired of the long-term product in this project. And one long-term product is my liquid lipstick from Ciate. What's left from it is in this little jar. I'm using it as a blush. I only need the tiniest amount of product every time. I've used it 3 times since the last update, so it's not a lot. There isn't any visible progress. I am so bored with this color, but my goal is to finish it, so it's staying in the project until the end of the year, I guess. This is what's left from my black eyeliner pencil. I told you that I would call it quit once I wouldn't be able to sharpen it anymore. And we've reached this point. Last time I tried to sharpen it, it really was a struggle, and it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's totally warped, and I didn't manage to really sharpen it as I wanted to. I've used it 15 times since the last update, and I think it's still usable for a few uses. So I will use it, and I will tell you how many times I'll use it. But I'm replacing it right now. And in its place, I'm introducing this bullet lipstick in the color Florida Fuchsia. I know this project is turning into a lip service project pan, but I don't have that many cream products in my collection. This is how it looks like. And it's another very summery shade to me, and I really want to use it, so I might as well have it in the project. And my goal is also 10 uses on this one. The other bullet lipstick in this project is this one from e.l.f. in the shade Nectar. I'm still making slow and steady progress. I've used it 13 times since the last update, which is an average month, and as usual we have a new mark just below the previous mark. And it's staying in the project because I want to finish it. And lastly, we have this concealer from The Ordinary. I've used it 29 times since the last update. My goal is to finish it, but it's still going strong. I don't even struggle to get the product out of the tube, so it seems that we have another never-ending product in this project. So this is it. I'm glad to see some movement in this project. On next update, when I have this gloss finished, I will most likely replace it with another product with only a usage goal to keep the ball rolling.